Welcome to my halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is CHAWANMUSHI Japanese Steamed Egg Custard. Yay! As the name suggests, CHAWANMUSHI is a steamed dish made by adding various ingredients into egg mixture with dashi broth and serving it in a bowl. In my house, I often make this putting many veggies and tofu instead of a soup. For instance, like the oyster rice I made in previous video, oyster rice is a delicious treat, but it's a bit lacking in the vegetables, isn't it? In such a case, serving this egg custard together will improve the nutritional balance. Today, I will also introduce the thick dashi sauce. Basically, Japanese egg custard doesn't have dashi sauce on it, so it with a sauce let us feel a bit like a treat even for Japanese people. This sauce is not for only adding the juiciness, it has the effect of keeping it hot or cold as it is for longer. And don't miss today's highlight of jigoku mushi, means steaming in the hell. It's a Japanese steaming method without a steamer. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I share a lot of tips about halal Japanese cooking recipes. I hope my recipe help you to be healthy and enjoy it with your family. Please see more information below if you need. Ingredients are egg, prawn, chicken, MITSUBA leaf, SHIMEJI mushroom, and dashi broth. Seasonings are salt and halal soy sauce. We use dashi broth for both of the steamed egg and the thick dashi sauce. So, how much the amount of dashi broth you need will depend on the size of the bowl you use. If the bowl size is 180 cc, so you need about 160 cc of egg mixture. The ratio of eggs to dashi broth is almost 1:3. I mean, your egg mixture will need 40 cc of eggs and 120 cc of dashi broth. Additionally, today we make a dashi sauce, so prepare another 50 cc of dashi per bowl. Make sure to cool the dashi broth. Beat the egg and mix well. I just need beautiful yellow color, but I don't need the bubbles. So keep the beater on the bottom and mix well. After mix well, strain the egg and weight them. We need 3 times of the amount of egg, so 1, 2, 3. Egg to dashi is 1, 2, 3. And mix all together. And 1, 2, 3. And seasoned with salt. 1 pinch, 2 pinch. Then mix well. I check the flavor. Moment. One more pinch. Total 3 pinches. Then mix well. Chop chicken into bite size. Remove the shell and evade the prawn. Parboil the prawn and chicken. Boil water first, then prawn first. Okay, enough. Then chicken. And coat with little soy sauce. Maybe 2 teaspoons. Chop MITSUBA into 3 centimeters and you keep nicely for garnish. Separate the SHIMEJI mushroom one by one. Do you know how to separate the SHIMEJI mushroom? Cut here. Then separate. Or you are very stingy like me, so you pull one by one. This one also okay. This one okay. Oh. Like this, then this one also. Okay, now I'm going to place the ingredients in the bowl. Okay, chicken first. Then shimeji, prawn. One prawn is for garnish, one prawn in the steamed egg. Then at last, MITSUBA. And pork egg mixture, mix from the bottom once, then Standby. Then cover with aluminum foil. Standby. Going to steam. This is today's highlight. I will tell you what the jigoku-mushi steaming is. In Japan, there is a steaming method by immersing the bowl directly in hot water without using a steamer. That's called jigoku-mushi in Japanese, means steaming in the hell. I never ever been to hell, but I guess somebody imagined cooking in the hell is like this to listen to the poko 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 sound of boiling pot. Anyway, it's very easy way. Please give it a try. Water amount is below half height of the bowl and boil the water. After boiling the water, place the paper in the bottom, then cook. Close again. Another 3 minutes passed. Can we check the condition? Heaven, of course heaven. But I wanna put prawn. Then steamer. 10 minutes passed already. Can we open? Okay, almost okay. There are holes on the surface, but okay. So can we check is it okay or not? If you put stick like this, transparent water come up, it's okay. Then one more thing, like this. So no move, it's okay. Off the heat, and we make dashi sauce. Set the dashi on the middle heat. Okay, seasoned by soy sauce, maybe half of teaspoon. Then 1 pinch. Then add mixture of potato starch and water. Little bit. And check the taste. Okay. So we finished the chawanmushi. We pour dashi sauce. Topped MITSUBA leaf. Chawanmushi with dashi sauce has done already. Yay! Today I made 2 bowls separately. They have the same capacity, approximately 180 cc. First one has many small holes in the surface. The cause is maybe the heat was too strong. Even though I turned to the slow heat when steaming, but it was not enough, maybe. That's why I made second one on very slow heat. Both are fine to eat, maybe, but the second one looks better. When you steam this egg custard, for the first 3 minutes around, you can use medium to high heat, it's no problem. But after that, let it steam on very low heat. It's the same as making pudding. いただきます。Good. The looks is not perfect, but taste is good. Such a small hole like this is no problem for texture. The chicken and prawn have a great flavor, and this bowl is like a little soup pot. As I mentioned before, you can enjoy ice-cold Japanese egg custard as well. I bet that's the best savory soup of soup in burning summer. I recommend you can let the steamed egg custard and the sauce cool separately, because the sauce will sink into the steamed egg as time passes. So you should pour the sauce when you eat. You can use any ingredients in this steamed egg custard. For instance, カニかまぼこ, clam, oyster, whitefish meat, spinach, broccoli, enokidake mushroom, tofu, udon. Anything is okay. Especially the tofu in the steamed egg named CHAWANMUSHI and udon in the steamed egg named MITSUBA are traditional arrangement of steamed egg custard. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!